To power on the mug when it is off the charging base, press and hold Nuwave on the cup, or you can tap Nuwave on the charging base. Tap Nuwave on the mug to scroll through the LED display information, the current temperature, target temperature, timer, and battery. To use different modes, make sure the mug is on the charging base. The hot and warm modes are designed to maintain the temperature of your drink. The mug also comes with 5 preset brewing modes on the charging base, including coffee, green tea, and black tea. To adjust the target temperature, use the up or down arrow. The timer feature adjusts based on the mug's position. While on the charging base, the timer operates as a brew timer. While off the charging base, the timer controls how long the mug maintains your preferred temperature.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.